Hello, day 5, is it 5th? Yeah, day 5 is done. I feel great. I've realised in hindsight, now that I'm through it, that I've been going through a withdrawal from the bad eating patterns I'd gotten into, which weren't terrible, but certainly I'd let stuff sneak in that things that aren't on this plan, that aren't whole food, plant-based, basically. Still vegan. I've been vegan for a long time, but yeah, junk food here and there, and I've let it creep in, and I've realised that I've been certainly not my chirpy self. When I look back at the last few videos, I can tell I was struggling, and I was looking like, I still look tired all the time because, well, you've seen my life at the moment. So that's been something I've really noticed, and that's been interesting. Headaches, and they've gone, and just really feeling a bit throaty, and just feeling just not. Today I feel fantastic. Anyway, I'll let you get onto the food because there were some good ones today. I was excited about the food from today, and at the end of this, you'll see I'll talk a bit more about other physical things that have happened and how I'm feeling and stuff like that. And let me know how you're feeling. I'd love to know. You can write to me at Mandy at Spudfit, or to Andrew at Spudfit, and you can comment below if you want to do that. All good. Enjoy the video. See you soon. Game changer. This is probably not going to be news to some people, but I've never thought of it before. I was trying to do a sweet breakfast because I normally, I just like savoury in the morning, but I thought I should do a sweet breakfast, and I sometimes do. I often cook porridge for the boys with banana and cinnamon and nutmeg and a bit of maple syrup. And I started doing that, and I wasn't in the mood because I like salty in the morning. And I suddenly had this idea, does anyone do, again, I'm probably the last to find out about this. I thought, does anyone do savoury porridge, like savoury oats? I mean, I also grew up with a Dutch dad, and we ate porridge like most days. So to me, it's a sweet breakfast food. Anyway, I Googled it, and of course there's heaps of it. And I found this amazing I found someone doing a Mexican one. And I've basically done that. It's my recipe in the end. I didn't use any of I haven't used avo because I'm trying to avoid anything with high calorie density. So I've just prepared the oats with paprika, smoked paprika, which smells amazing as it always does. A little bit of vegetable stock, lemon. I put lemon in it, and I think that's it for the oats. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and then water, and then I was adding milk. I did add a little bit of milk, so then I stopped when I had this idea. So it has got milk in it. I don't think you need it at all. And then I just cooked up fresh onion, and tomato, fresh tomato. I prefer tomato cooked than raw at the moment. And mushroom, and I put coriander on top, corn, you can see. I think that's it. And I prepared that with this, I've got this spice mix from a really cool place. It's Spanish skewer and barbecue spice, and it is cumin, Spanish paprika, parsley, nutmeg, turmeric, garlic, cayenne pepper, and rock salt. So I didn't realise it had salt in it too, so I've probably gone a bit. It doesn't taste that salty actually because I didn't use much stock. But yeah, I mean, and then fresh coriander on top. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Yay! This is so good. It's so good. Andrew loves it too. Delicious. This is game changer. Banana, apple. While I wait for the potatoes there to cook. Hello, Andrew.
Hi.
And everyone. Earlier I forgot to film, but I ate some spuds. We had these spuds cooked. I had them with just yeast and lemon juice and salt and pepper. That's it on top. I had that for lunch, about 3 of them, quite big ones. So that's kept me going for ages. So I haven't actually had that many meals today. It's coming out to dinner time. This is going to be loaded wedges. So I'm making wedges in the air fryer. I'll actually turn it on now that turn it. Get it going. And I'm making a cheesy sauce to go on top, and I'll put lots of veggies on too. So there's screaming going on. So I've got carrots cooking. I've got these. I'm going to blend them to make a cheesy sauce with yeast in it, some onion powder and some stock. and then I'm going to pour it over, like a cheesy sauce over the top of the wedges, and that'll be dinner, and my mouth's watering right now. Can't wait. Woo! Another good day. Easy. Look at how the wedges turned out.
Oh,
Look how,
yeah.
oh my gosh, they're amazing. And then I cooked up a range of veggies, doesn't really matter. And then I have made...
tofu, isn't it?
No,
Oh,
that's
okay.
just veggies. And then I've got cheese sauce, piping hot. There you go, look at that. Oh my gosh. This cup features my mother's vocal quartet, the Hot Flushes. They're amazing. You can look them up. They're not doing much at the moment, obviously, given the situation. Now this is tofu air fried.
That's the tofu.
It's going on top. It's like croutons, I guess. It's tofu with smoked paprika, onion powder, smoked paprika, I think it's lemon juice and some mixed herbs, and then all that on top. Look at that! Woo!
Nice. Yeah.
Is the light any good?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
And by the way, that's an iced tea, not a wine.
It is.
Just
It
in
looks
case.
exactly like rosé.
Yeah. I just looked at it through the phone and thought, people are going to think we're getting drunk at dinner.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's it. This is enough for one, and we're going to fight over it.
Are we? All right. I know who's going to win.
I know who's going to win.
Yeah.
So the sauce has leek. Wait, buddy, I'm just 1 second. Leek, carrot, potato, heaps of potato, plenty of carrot. Leek, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, lots of nutritional yeast, onion powder. I think that's it. Lemon juice and I think that's it. Some stock, maybe. I can't remember. I don't think I did use stock in that actually because I didn't use any with the veggies. The veggies are just water fried. That's it.
All right.
Bye, I gotta go.
All
More
right.
important things to do. What a great day. I've had 2 really good eating days now, which is good. I ended up also eating some more like air fried chips. I made some more wedges later, just now actually. And I had a banana and an apple right before that, just now. What's the time? It's nearly 11. Long day. They're all kind of long days. You can see how much we get hassled all day. Yeah, really good day. I wanted to talk briefly about other things, like how I'm feeling about things. And I feel psychologically totally into this. It's been absolutely easy. The only thing that's been not really a problem, but a consideration has been that I need to be more prepared with some snacks on hand. But it's so easy just having a banana. So for me, this is what makes it easier than Spuds only, even though I live with the Spud guy and there's always Spuds around. When I've done a Spud Fit challenge, haven't been prepared enough with potatoes and I've been caught out and about. But because I can eat bananas on the Mega Foods plan, or any fruit really, that it's so easy to find a go-to snack. So whenever I'm caught out, I'm suddenly starving because often I'm too busy, and then suddenly I'm really hungry. I can at least just grab a banana and stave that off. Or grab 5 bananas and have a whole meal of bananas, which is perfectly good and fine and yummy and healthy. That's been one thing. The other thing I've noticed, there's 2 other things. One thing I've noticed is I've been bloated for the last 2 days. It's been intense, and I've noticed. I think because it's happened before when I went from like a normal. I'm definitely not a standard Australian diet, but which is the same as a standard American diet. But I have eaten too much junk food leading up to a Spud Fit challenge before, and it was my gut flora changing, and it has quite the effect, and it's been doing that again. So I have been over the last months, quite a few months. I've been just slowly letting the junk food creep in again, like vegan junk food, like a burger or chips or whatever, and now going to this super clean way of eating. Oh, so I've got something in my frog in my throat. Excuse me. It's been really. I've noticed, looking back at the videos from the first 3 days, I've noticed I've had a bit of a my mood's been a bit not low. I mean, I've been harassed a bit being home and a mum and trying to do remote schooling and all that sort of stuff. But my mood seems to have not been. I've not been my usual perky self, and that's passed. Also, I've been a bit headachy, and that's the food fog lifting, which we've had a very dramatic experience with that before, Andrew and I, when we first went vegan. So I think it's just, yeah, it's withdrawal from the junk, and yeah, my body healing itself. And it's been very interesting because it's been so easy. There's just been no difficulty with this. I'm very busy, so I don't have time to sit around and get bored and want to eat because of that. But if I did, I'd be eating the same thing anyway, just way more of it, which would also be fine. And I've been running. That's the other thing, actually. I've been running like every day except one, and I have noticed two things. One is that I just feel like moving. I feel lighter. I've already lost a bit of weight, but I mean, it's early. It could be, who knows what it is, but I feel very much lighter in myself. But also when I run, I can run after a big meal, and normally, like even just being vegan, I just wouldn't run after a meal. I would wait hours, or I'd wait to eat until I'd done my run for the day or whatever, which I don't do regularly. I've been very lazy for a very long time, but I find it easy. I tend to hold my fitness pretty well, so I can do a good run still. But yeah, it would just come up like the reflux. Like I don't suffer from reflux normally at all, but running, I couldn't eat before running. Pretty much not anything, maybe a bit of fruit. But now, a bit of fruit would be fine. But now I can have a whole meal of what I'm eating, minus chili. I have a lot of hot sauce on occasion, and if I run with that, it would, yeah. But yeah, I can run on a big meal now, and it just is fine. It doesn't go anywhere. So if you do suffer from GERD or similar things, maybe that's something to consider, because maybe this way of eating is something to consider. Because it's as someone who doesn't suffer from it, I do suffer from it when I go running after a meal, and yeah, obviously, yeah, it's interesting. It's just an interesting experiment that I'm doing on myself, and you can also do on yours. So anyway, quite a chunk of talking at the end there. I tried to keep it short, and now I've made it just as long as yesterday. I hope that was interesting to anyone, and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me attempt to cook, which now you've pretty much gathered the range of my abilities in the kitchen is not my thing. But yeah, if there's anything you'd like to ask or whatever, just reach out. I've got an email at SpudFit now, so it's mandy@spudfit.com. Of course, you can ask Andrew if you'd rather him see your message, and otherwise comment below, whatever. We're here to help. So see you soon. See you tomorrow. Bye.